I'm Carolyn, and this is Richard. This is Rebecca, and Mycroft. Together we are the Wandering Seasquatch.
Alright, so just really briefly about what's going on. We have received word from our boatyard about a hurricane. I don't know its name at the moment, but a hurricane that may pass over the boatyard. So just in case, we are trying to go to the boat, right dear?
Yep.
Everything is a chaotic mess, and we are trying to get out as fast as possible because it's an 11-hour drive from where we are now. Say it again.
I was just going to say that the storm is supposed to come in to Baltimore Tuesday morning, early. It is Sunday now at 2 o'clock. So I'm just trying to make sure that we have some time to make sure that our lines are good to go and all that before we have 65-mile-an-hour winds or higher. Plus the 4-foot swell that we're expecting, possibly more.
Anyways, what I was going to say is we are almost ready to go. I'll film as much as I can. This is my first hurricane. Richard's second? Third. Richard's third hurricane, so I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm relying a lot on him. Tropical storm. Okay. Well, you called it a hurricane, so I believed you. Alright. Well, we're gonna do our best, and I'll see how much I can film. Bye. So we'll call it half an hour. Yeah, the weather reports are making tropical storm Isaias sound very scary. And there's the storm starting to come in. So we gotta batten down the hatches here real soon. I already changed into clothes that can get wet and dry out quickly. I'm going to start cleaning. Richard's got a lot to do. Rain's just starting to start. I'm still cleaning the mold that the chemicals are making me cough a lot. Hopefully I can get done before bedtime. I need to change the battery on the GoPro, so we'll see. I need help, Richard, now. So, probably can't see me well, but we had a small thunderstorm earlier, just a small one though. We're expecting it to really get crazy tonight. Unfortunately, the GoPro doesn't do well with night filming, so we'll do what we can, but it might just be more of telling the story of the aftermath. Moment everyone's getting ready for bed. Good morning! The storm has hit. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Ooh! Here we go. Rebecca wants her life jacket on. We're watching videos and having candy, right guys? Mycroft is a little bit wet. He didn't know what was going on while Richard and I were out on deck and came out to see. So, you guys need to stay inside. Yeti looks worried. And wet. We got plenty of water on the floor. A few drips here and there. And I'm about to go out and help Richard with whatever he needs. Right. The kids are fed Time to go back out. Here we go. So this is my first tropical storm. How many has this been for you, dear? 2 or 3?
So south is that way.
Yeah?
North is that way. So the storm is coming from the south. It's swooping in.
So is the water coming in or is the water leaving? Can you tell?
I'm not sure. It looks like it's coming in. It's definitely higher than high tide.
Well, again, you didn't explain to me exactly why I needed a hat, so I just feel like, whatever. Well, next time just explain it to me, you know, and tell me what you're going to use the hat for.
You never know.
Just always have a hat.
Always have a hat.
Alright, let's go get breakfast. I'm hungry. Ow. It's weird to have such warm rain. Yeah. There's a bottle floating away. A message in a bottle. Yeah. Well, not really a message, but...
What is it? It's an old shampoo bottle.
Alright. Food. Food, glorious food.
We got bread and we got potatoes.
Alright, well, after our being out there, these drips don't seem nearly so bad.
No, not at all, right?
Look at go. It's just a couple drips.
Yeah.
So the storm is certainly over. I thought it was going to last all day. Richard said we still might get like a little sprinkle or something, but nothing like the rain we were getting earlier. So I guess we pulled through. So we're just going to try and dry things out and clean up. That's about the gist of it.
The next day was a beautiful day, so we decided to go sailing. It was my first time, and the kids' first time, and it was Yeti's first time, and we were very interested in what we could see. Overall, it was a very calm day of sailing, which was perfect for me as I did need to learn how to, sail. We had one more good day of sailing with much higher winds and it was a lot of fun, but we didn't manage to record that one.
Big boat.
Now I'm teaching you how to sail. So you're gonna do the same thing on this.
Okay.
Release this.
Yep.
Bring it forward, flip it there.
Yep. Okay. So, I just went sailing for the first time ever in my entire life. It happens to be on Traveler. Anyways, we turned around and came back. We pretty much ghosted in under full sail, right there?
Yep.
Yeah, we ghosted in under full sail. catching any little whiff of a breeze. I pretty much had none. What? Yeah, it was pretty funny when we started passing boatyards. We would have people call into us. The only two I distinctly remember was "Well done, Skipper," and a call that went "Pirates! Pirates!" which is probably my favorite one. I liked that greeting. Other than that, we had a lot of people staring and taking pictures because no one uses sails here to get in and out. You use engine. Honestly, once we reached the slip, I wished we had used an engine too. We missed our slip. Well, if we could have caught it with a line, I think we probably would have made it. Our slip. But we missed it and had to sort of pretty much back out and try again. So we ended up 1, 2, 3, 4 slips over. We're the 4th slip over from where we used to be. We did pretty good.
We did darn good.
You want to? I'm not sure what hurts more, the outside of my face or the inside of my head.
For the first time you've actually gotten to see your grandson very well.
Yeah. So how do you think today went?
Beautifully.
Beautifully?
Yeah. Couldn't ask for a better day. You can get a border if I get you onto the dock. Shush.
Try to get me alongside her, that'd be easier.
Give me a tight squeeze on it.
Okay, then just get me to the dock and I'll do my best. On the...
Unless you can, I think you can duck down that far. Hopefully not disturb any wasps or nasty spiders.
Okay, I'm staying down. Stay down, guys. Yeah, there we go, and now we have a shortcut.
At least at low tide.
Yeah, that's true.
There's some blistering going on.
Hey, pup. You are noisy.
Yeah, you really wanted to go. Yeah, you really wanted to
If
come.
we're not careful, we'll try and jump on the board.
Alright, go ahead, deal with it.
Alright.
We spent the rest of our time cleaning up the ship. Richard found an old mooring, seemingly made out of lead, in the front of the V-berth, which was extremely heavy, and we couldn't figure out why or how it had gotten there. Soon enough, our funds had run out, our food had run out, and our patience had run out, and it was really time to go home. We were absolutely exhausted and ready to go back to the cabin. But we did do our best to make sure that Traveler would be ready for her next adventure, which would be a trip to Maine.
Be careful. So how did you get so dirty? Huh? Look at me. Come here, little man. And how are you doing, Rebecca?
Good.
You like the hammock?
Yeah. On boat.
I have to stay away from the edge.
Hi, Mama. Where am I?
I don't know, you're gone.
Yes, I am. Here I am.
There you are.
It's inside.
You're silly.